Three semicircular canals are responsible for detecting rotation of the head. They do this using a sensory organ called the Crista ampullaris, which is located in an enlargement of the semicircular canal called the ampulla. The Crista ampullaris also contain hair cells, but unlike the macula, the hair cells in the Crista ampullaris are all positioned in the same direction, lined up with the plane of the semicircular canal, and they are covered with a gelatinous mass called the cupula. The endolymph, which fills the semicircular canal, is in charge of moving the cupula to bend the hair cells in only one direction, which in turn depolarizes the membrane and creates more frequent action potential. This is possible because as the head moves in one direction, let's use the horizontal semicircular canal, sideways, the inertia of the endolymph tends to keep the fluid in place, thus pushing the cupula in the opposite direction to the movement of the head. Because the plane of the two other semicircular canals is perpendicular to the direction of movement, the cupulas of those Crista ampullaris are not affected by this type of movement. If the movement continues, then the endolymph reaches the same speed as the movement of the head, thus stopping the signaling. As soon as the movement of the head diminishes, the inertia of the fluids bend the hair cells in the direction of the initial head movement. This causes the hyperpolarization of the hair cells.